Long, long ago, a child entered the hallway of a school, a little scared of what lies ahead, hesitating to let go of her parents' hand. Then she heard a warm voice, which belonged to her new teacher. Welcome, Sunbeam. That feeling of calling her a ray of sunshine was really overwhelming. All of us, one or the other day, when came to know about the tradition of wishing everyone Jai Hind, a strong feeling of patriotism was inculcated in us. From individual happiness to Rashtra Bhakti, we have experienced all good gestures in this school.
It seems yesterday when we joined this school like reluctant caterpillars, stepping somewhere near Srijan or our old assembly ground, completely unaware of what lies ahead. Today, as we are approaching the end, we realize that they have become our finest impressions. A journey that started out with few tentative steps have become a wonderful memory today. Memories that serve to illustrate that while few things will change, and rightly so, the core fundamentals will always remain the same. So, without any ado, I, Prachi,
And I, Prashasti,
welcome you to fortunately the first, but unfortunately the last assembly of 12th I, the first day of Saransh, the essence of journey.
years and miles will take us away. To find our fortune, one fine day. But in our hearts, we'll never forget the sunbeam of our childhood days. So sweet, serene, and infinitely beautiful was our old assembly ground, in the corridors of which, to be very frank, we enjoyed the most. Listening to the morning prayers under the huge mango tree we had made us feel that we are really in a temple of learning. Still passing from the halls and galleries, we recall the fun we had in the active learning lab. Passing by the junior classes reminds us of the way we used to wish our teachers. Good morning and Jai Hind, ma'am. Actually, we were stretching it to such an extent that the teacher would really become annoyed. Those were the days of budding. And today, we are at the final stage of flower.
12th I is a bunch of old and new folks. Everyone fits suitably like a cog in a giant wheel. Each one of us has been handpicked to produce this beautiful garland, a conglomeration of tremendous skills. Here, each student has his own quills to dip, his own stories to tell, and his own magic to be created. But everyone will have the sun shining in them.
Sunbeam family is blessed with full of towering personalities in its board of directors. A great leader who lifts in a way that draws others to emulate him. He's none other than our chairman, sir. He's every bit of a person we always aspire to become. It's an honor for us to talk about him.
An excellent sportswoman who works for women empowerment, a keen observer with finest tuning with everything around her. She is our director, ma'am. Ma'am, your elegance is what we always admire.
One of the most influential and articulate member of Sunbeam family is our own assistant director, ma'am. Ma'am, you always keep us motivated and deeply rooted values in us through your words of wisdom.
He loves to explore new skills and believes in action than mere words. An affable person with a humanitarian approach, our honorary director, sir.
A man of few words and a man of substance. He is our respected CEO, sir. We are indebted to him for he has instilled the value of fortitude and composure in us. On behalf of 12th I, J and K, I now request Director Ma'am, Assistant Director Ma'am and CEO Sir to please ascend the stage and accept a token of love from Harsh and Ayushi.
Thank you, ma'am. Today, as everyone is all set to take home the memories of best time, We pause for a moment to thank those who just can't be thanked enough. The pillars of Sunbeam who have changed these saplings into fruit-giving trees. The key to culture and consequently the success of this school. The Sunbeam pillar with exceptional managing skills and prolific experience. I'm talking about our principal, ma'am. Ma'am, you are truly an inspiration for all of us.
Our vice principal, ma'am, a very imaginative person with plenty of ideas for doing an extraordinary work in a perfect manner.
Gifted with excellent leadership qualities, she is always present as a guiding light for every Sunbeam. She is our headmistress, ma'am.
The junior headmistress. Oh, how can we express our gratitude towards her? She always helped us at all times just like a mother does. We had a pleasure to be under her guidance.
The one whose heart and soul resides in the home away from home. He considers Sunbeam as his own family and is every hostler's apple of the eye. Our hostel superintendent, sir.
Our deputy hostel superintendent is a very organized person. The heart of a father resides in him for every hostler. You are the man behind the discipline in hostel premises. We would also like to thank our activity in charge, academic heads and coordinators for their kind support and guidance.
I request Gurmeet ma'am, Shifali ma'am, Prerna ma'am, Ehtisham sir, Satyanand sir, Moshmi ma'am, Saroj ma'am and Rajdeep sir to ascend the stage and accept the token of love that symbolizes a gratitude for your love and guidance. I would like to hand over the mic to 12J for further proceedings.
थैंक यू सेक्शन आई। धूल होकर भी हम सभी आसमां बन गए, चांद का नूर ले कहकशा बन गए। ऐसे गुरजनों को भला कैसे कह दें अलविदा, जिनकी शिक्षा से हम क्या से क्या हो गए। जिंदगी का एक और वर्ष कम हो चला, जिंदगी का एक और वर्ष कम हो चला। कुछ पुरानी यादें पीछे छोड़ चला, कुछ ख्वाहिशें दिल में ही रह गई, कुछ बिना मांगे ही मिल गई। कुछ छोड़कर चले गए, कुछ नए जुड़ेंगे इस सफर में। कुछ मुझसे बहुत खफा हैं, कुछ मुझसे बहुत खुश हैं। कुछ सही हैं, कुछ गलत भी हैं। कोई गलती हुई हो तो माफ कीजिएगा और कुछ अच्छा लगे तो याद कीजिएगा। और अंत में बस इतना ही कहना है, सोच तो आपकी होगी मगर आवाज देंगे हम। सोच तो आपकी होगी मगर आवाज देंगे हम। ख्वाब जो देखा आपने मगर आगाज देंगे हम। विदाई पर हमारी ओर से बस उपहार इतना है, विदाई पर हमारी ओर से बस उपहार इतना है। इरादे आपके होंगे मगर परवाज देंगे हम। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon again. I am full of emotions. There is a sense of loss because this place has come to occupy a special place in our house. There is no doubt that everyone in the class feels the same because the essence of our journey is full of delight, preferred lessons, and some prized moments that we will nurture forever. Today, at this apposite moment, we would like to extend the gratitude towards our beloved teachers. Their love has turned denial into acceptance and confusion into clarity. Also, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation doesn't come from uttering words, but by being loved by them. So I would like to call my friends Abhishek and Astos to impart a very warm token of gratitude to the respected teachers. For the same, I would like to request the class teachers and all the subject teachers of section I, J and K to come up to the stage. I also request Ajay Mishra sir of music, Manju Lata ma'am, Shashi Prakash sir, Vinay Srivastav sir, Rajnath sir, Paikrai sir, Pushpalata ma'am and Madhuri ma'am to join them. I also request Nitish sir and Krishna sir and Sadhana ma'am to come up to the stage. Thank you, respected teachers. For the further proceedings, I call upon my friends of 12I on the dialogue.
It's time to express our sincere gratitude to all those teachers who taught us in the academic calendar year 2019-20. Pradyuman sir, you have always been the teacher we have looked up to the most. Not only because how you have been so understanding over the past 2 years, but also how you have kept us motivated throughout. Nothing can come close to the inspirational presence of a teacher like you in a student's life. Being our class teacher, you have always guided us to the right path. There were times when we were devoid of the faith in ourselves, but you were the one who reignited that flame to keep on striving for better and working diligently towards our good. Thank you, sir, for holding us.
Moshni ma'am, getting you as our English teacher is one of the best things that has ever happened to our class. You are the true embodiment of compassion and empathy, and it has never failed to amaze us how you take care of everything under your wing, be it teaching us or acting as one of the pillars of the school by managing everything so efficiently. Also, thank you for observing our flaws and fixing them instantly. It has truly helped us in reaching our highest potential. Over to Arpit and Khushi for further proceedings.
It is sad to say goodbye to someone as awesome as you all. But the joyful thing is that your teachings will never depart from us. Thanks for being such incredible teachers. So let's now introduce those teachers who held our hands and supported us in every possible way for the last couple of years.
We have a preliminary physics teacher, Anand sir, who makes practical fun and always has a smile on his face. His knowledge and experience might not be revealed by his jolly face, but even his presence in the room feels like a lamp in the dark night.
Now coming to our chemistry teacher, Arvind sir, the sincere most, whose punctuality we all admire, the one whose knowledge in chemistry is like a treasure, whose hands are so experienced that they have become resistant to acids even.
Next we have a punctual maths teacher, Mr. S. N. Pandey sir, who is very friendly and serious while teaching and is a constant source of support for us. He is always ready to help us in every possible way and believes in perfection.
Now we hand over the mic to Sanitya.
Good afternoon and Jai. I have been privileged, a special privilege has been bestowed upon me today to felicitate our special subject teachers. Starting first with Pushpalata ma'am, who teaches Sanskrit, the perfect teacher to teach the most ancient and scientific language in the world. She has delivered the sanctity and substance of Sanskrit to her students. Moving next to Vinay sir. He is the go-to man when it comes to stuff related to computer and technology and is always a helping hand to all his students. Harpreet ma'am, who teaches applied arts, an artist by soul and a teacher by heart. She has worked to ignite the creative and artistic instinct in her students. Moving next to the physical education department. Shivanand sir. He has been serving this institution for more than 20 years. A relentless coach who is an inspiration to many, especially athletics. Shashi sir, a strict disciplinarian who is an excellent boxer as well. He has coached various students who have brought many laurels to the school. Madhuri ma'am, a guiding light for all her students and personally excellent in athletics. Nilesh sir, an enthusiastic teacher and coach who is a brilliant badminton player and has set many on his path of success. Moving next to the music department. P.C. Pekroy sir, who teaches violin, an instrumentalist par excellence, who is always eager to help his students achieve success. Shipra ma'am, who teaches Kathak, a role model for her students. She is dedicated to music and dance and has inspired her students to do so as well. Sukalpa ma'am, who teaches vocal music, probably the nightingale of our school and the mother-like figure to all her students with years of experience. Ajay Mishra sir, who teaches tabla, a tabla maestro with years of experience and is a perfect example of head in clouds and feet firmly on ground. And finally, Manjulata ma'am, who teaches Hindi, one of the senior most teachers in the faculty, and she has got great control and fluency in Hindi, which is backed up by a stunning vocabulary. Thank you, and over to Shashwat and Shivangi for presenting.
The past 2 years were marked by numerous climbs and falls. However, if I would say that 12th High was a roller coaster ride, then that would be an understatement. For we experienced every ride one could possibly find at an amusement park. Despite the several falls we experienced, we never found ourselves in the abyss. For there were people around us who supported us and lifted us. These people were our fellow classmates.
Akif soon befriended the new students of our school and thus upholded the true values of being a sunbeam.
Aditya Anand Sankar Singh, whose unprecedented language and speaking skills defines him.
Aman joined the school last year, but his quick wits and friendly nature have already garnered him quite a following.
Amrish Yadav, who is quiet and polite and has mastered the skill of intrapersonal intelligence.
Uncle effortlessly navigates through difficult problems with his out-of-the-box thinking.
Aniket Singh Vats, a future entrepreneur and a true friend who one could always find in their time of need.
Arpit Rai, a firm believer in the mantra, hustle in silence and let your success make the noise.
Arpit Praviraj Singh, who besides being the monitor of our class, is also a true anime fan and has qualified PRNO and won Zonal Excellency Award in NCO.
Now we hand over the mic to Shambhavi and
Here
Amrish.
comes Urvashi and Ayushi. Hindu sisters are like stars twinkling in the sky, always together except in attendance register. Both are very sincere and honest towards their work and are ever ready to help others.
Next one on the list is Dhruv Jain, famous as the Hardik Pandya of our class. He shocks everyone with his mind-blowing yorkers and aggressive style. He's also very good with maths.
Great artist and an innovative mind, always eager to learn the things from all arenas. He is sweet and a fun-loving guy, Harsh.
Next one is Durgesh Singh. Well, I hardly feel the need to introduce this old Sangeet gem. He has had a profound collection of academic achievements. He had also maintained his position as the eye center of all mischiefs.
Khushi, the sweet, fun-loving, notorious girl of our class. Khushi, she is a good singer and of a dynamic personality.
Next one is Manish. Well, this boy provides the best example for a sheep in Wolf's Town. He's a simple and hardworking student who is always ready to help others.
Prachi, what to say about this girl? Words fall short to describe her. She is a brilliant speaker and a trustworthy friend. Her cheerful laughing can even make a crying person to smile. She is none other than Prachi.
Next one is Nayan Tripathi. Well, he's definitely a computer genius in the making. He has been a constant source of information about both academic and non-academic news. Also, he has been the center of all the mischiefs in our class.
Now, I hand over the mic to my friend Tanisha and Pratyaksh.
Shivam, a basketball lover who is always sincere with his efforts, and a PMC student who loves geography more than mathematics. The next is Shruti, that annoying classmate who is always on time with her work, but is a total sweetheart who is always there for you when you need her.
Jai Hind dosto. So the first classmate I will speak about is Shashwat Shankar Singh. So this guy forced me to watch Sherlock in Game of Thrones. So this guy definitely has a great taste of life. He's a footballer and a football fan. And just don't feel bad, dude, but I want to tell that Messi will always be better than Ronaldo. So the next person I have to speak about is Vaibhav Prajapati. He has a lot of future plans, many of it, except getting married. He's a YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel named Errors, and I seriously want you guys to check that out because he is a very hard worker. He does hard work, and he's a very dear friend of mine. So it's not for the formality. He does hard work. Vaibhav, itne ka 500 lagega.
Shivani, a very old student having excellent quizzing skills and a known orator of Bhagwanpur. The next is Vibhanshu, an exceptionally good academician who loves mimicry and has a smile that outshines the sun itself.
So the next celebrity, mind you, he's not a person, he's a celebrity. I want to speak about is Varun Khan. So, you know Varun Khan. This is a pictorial representation of Varun 24/7. So, you know the brand Setwet, which does hair gel and all that, that brand has a contract with him that, sir, क्या आपका hair style अपने ad में feature कर सकते हैं? Copyright and money included. So, one thing I am better than Varun is at physics. I don't want to demean you, but your physics is so bad that you do enjoy South Indian movies. So, excuse me. So the next person I want to speak about is this girl standing right next to me, Tanisha. You people know about grammar Nazis? Well, she is the Hitler of grammar Nazis. She is over-possessive of our specs. She is very intelligent, so much so that इसे Interstellar एक बार में समझ में आ गई थी. And about her vocabulary, it's so good. I mean, if Shashi Tharoor ever wrote a book on vocabulary, she'd be the wholesaler of it. ऑक्सफोर्ड इसको 4 साल से कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बट इसने उसका नंबर ब्लॉक करके रखा है. She's like, I'm busy learning new words, and these are my words. I don't want to publish it. I just want to learn them. So she loves to read novels and a fan of thriller and mystery novels. So much so that she was once looking for plot twists and subplots while reading Bible. So that's all from my side, and I would next to pass to Satyansh and Shruti. Thanks for listening. Aham Brahmasmi.
A passionate basketballer famous for his three-pointers and layups, and is the heart and soul of our class. Here we introduce Pranjal. I think he is sincere and fun-loving person. So here comes Prashar.
Prashasti, the numero uno monitor of our class. There is another boys monitor, but she prevails by the right to female autocracy. A PIMO qualifier, big deal. She talks like she loves the sound of her own voice, and then she talks tag mode. Then we have the handsome young man here, Ramendra Yadav. Simple on the outside, very optimistic. He's the kind of person who can launch grenades using a flare gun in PUBG. I'm sure a lot of you guys weren't paying attention until I happened to mention the word PUBG. So for those of you who have joined the assembly right now, welcome.
So moving to next, she holds the principle, be a worthy worker and success will come. A hard-working and sincere girl, having a kind of smile that puts stars in the eyes. She is Shambhavi. Now what to say about this person? An old friend, he is an expression king. Whenever you have a physics doubt, seek this person out. He is none other than the funny person standing beside me, Satyansh.
Thank you, Shruti, for the rather peculiar insights. Next up, we have Sanidhya, a very interesting personality. Confused most of the times, I personally think Sanidhya has reached a certain plane of spiritual existence. He just looks at us and gets confused by the complications of the human mind. We have the gigantic piece of God's creation who goes by the name Pratyush Shrivastava. प्यार से हम उसको प्रत्यक्ष में बुलाते हैं और गुस्से में जो बुलाते हैं, let's just leave that unspoken for. My oldest acquaintance, a very good friend and an even better actor. His mimicry and acting skills are off the charts. We have made a lot of good memories together. And by memories, I'm sure all of us take away big scoops of our school life memory as it approaches its end. I would like to take this moment to cherish and share a few of my memories of this institute. Memory number 1, signing the LOC in a free period. Memory number 2, signing the LOC in an English period. Memory number 3, signing the LOC with my parents on a Sunday. Memory number 4, bunking a class to go and sign the LOC. In the last couple of years, I have signed more LOCs than the number of times Narendra Modi has visited Varanasi in his entire political career. How many of you guys out there are from commerce and humanities? Please raise your hands. Awesome. Thank you. Can I have a huge round of applause for this fine specimen? Exceptional performance and demonstration of the highest level of human intellect. इन लोगों के पास क्लास 10th में इतना दिमाग था जितना हम लोगों के पास 12th में भी नहीं. Yes, I would like to tell you something about myself. I don't know your side of the story. I'm just going to say myself. I'm a science student, and these are all my science friends. और जैसा कि आप हमारी शक्ल और हालत देख के बता सकते हैं, हम लोग ने 10th के बाद साइंस लिया. अब साइंस हम लोग के मजे ले रहा है। Imagine a subject where you are told that if you put a specific type of thing in water, some or the other things happens, and when you write accordingly in your test, you get a 0. And then you go and ask your ranker friend, what kind of a sick joke is this? He calmly replies, भाई ये NCERT का exception है. Exception. For a moment, I'm like ऐसी कौन सी NCERT है जो हम लोग के पास नहीं है और इन लोगों के पास है? But then, when I study the book which I used last night to study for my test, I'll find somewhere written a very small note in an even smaller font size, hidden well under some table which runs as exceptions to this rule are blah blah and blah. Reading that line almost feels like bhai tere cut gए marks. And I'm sure a lot of chemistry lovers must be wondering why am I saying all this. So I'm just going to tell you about something about myself. I'm a science student, which I'm sure you all must have perceived by now. On top of that, I'm a boy. Not that it needed to be mentioned, but nowadays no one knows for sure. So I'm just rectifying my observation. Then to spice things up a bit, I'm from the general category. And the thing that I've been regretting the most ever since 2014 elections happened is that I'm a human kid and not a cow. The guy and all the special privileges are out of the equation. Just imagine you're a cow and Homo sapiens, an entirely different genetic species, issues you your Aadhaar card. So, I never knew the word caste would hold such a great importance at a later point in my life. The first time I hit the caste system wall was in class 10 when I was filling an online form for NSTSC. Until then, I thought the caste column on the first pages of our diary was supposed to be for the vaccines that have been casted upon you. So I used to take all of them because I knew I had all kinds of vaccines. General tick, obesity tick, ST tick, SC tick. It was in class 10 when I realized that I was wrong all the way. I was filling a form for NSTSC and when I reached the caste column, the most unusual thing of all happened and I found that it was a single option type. So naturally, like any other kid, I went to inquire about it to my mom. And the thing with Indian parents is that if they do not want to tell their child about the social complications of the society we live in, they just don't tell it at all. So what she said was, it's a very old system, obsolete, and just stick on the general category and move on. That's what I did. And that's when I started having trust issues. A form I am filling in 2016 is asking me a question about an old and obsolete system which was followed back in 1947. The first thing I checked was if I had been using Internet Explorer instead of Google Chrome. It was Chrome. Okay. So, who was I? I'm a science student. So I just had to know. Bouncing off from one person to another, I reached Sampoon, a pal from the good old days. Now the thing with Sampoon was, he could not remember the multiplication table of 2, but he knew the caste system like the back of his hand. So he baptized me with his knowledge. And that's when I realized I had been playing mind games with my own class teachers for the last 10 years. They gave me a form to ask me about my caste. I ticked marked all of them and gave it back. Now the teacher couldn't ask me any questions about my caste because she thought the child's parents might be some kind of secular activist, and if she asked me to fill a particular caste, then her broad-mindedness might stand judgmental. All she did was look at me like this. But I was standing here in my dilemma, looking at others' diaries. बाकी सबको एक ही वैक्सीन लगा है, मुझे 4 लगे। बीमारी नहीं पकड़ सकती अब उनको, भगवान है वो। Don't get alarmed. I'm not a narcissist. Okay, I'm not a narcissist. The way I look at it is that there are 2 types of student after class 10. एक जो जिंदगी में साइंस छोड़ देते हैं और एक जो जिंदगी में उम्मीद छोड़ देते हैं। Now, it is my foremost duty to tell you all that this was all meant to be for entertainment purposes only. Science is not even half bad as I made it sound like. All I've learned in my 18 years of life in India is that कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything is possible अगर आपके मन में विश्वास और टूथपेस्ट में नमक हो. Thank you, Ankur and Nayan, for the wonderful presentation. Yeah, those are the guys. Gracias. That would be all. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Section J.
I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Jai Hind everyone. 12th I, the most amazing class ever. You are the brightest faces of this school who are going to make us all proud someday. Your brilliant achievements in academic discourse and in other fields are indeed acknowledged. Your sweet memories will forever remain in my heart. Never back down from the challenges of life. Never give up chasing your dreams. Believe in yourself and the world will be yours. Always strive to be the best in whatever you do. Be humble and let your actions speak for you. It has been a remarkable journey with you all. All my efforts were only to bring out the hidden geniuses in you. All I say goodbye, you shall be waving hello to new opportunities in your upcoming life, and I wish you all the best for that. Jai.